Hi, my name is Ben Collins. I'm the farm manager here at Atwood Family Farms in Eustis, Florida. I'm standing in the middle of our strawberry field that we planted at the end of October. And now we are in our first crop here at the beginning of December. We started mid to late November having ripe fruit out here, but now we're really in the swing of it here at the beginning of December. Like I said, this is our first crop. We'll go through 3 different crops where the plants will bloom and produce fruit, and then they'll gap and repeat the process 2 more times. We're doing that now, and we will do that all the way through February and through strawberry season being over. But these plants will stay in the ground and be producing for 4 or 5 months now here.